genetically supported targets double the success rate of drug development and delivery into the clinic. So if there's genetic data supporting your target, the biomarkers that your drug is actually targeting, that leads to a dramatic increase in the likelihood that your drug development program will be successful. And Genomenon specializes in identifying, surfacing, refining, and delivering that genetic data. Genomics empowers pharma to affect positive outcomes at all aspects of the drug discovery pipeline, from optimizing identification of preclinical targets to expediting downstream R&D activities, thereby reducing overall R&D costs, to maximizing the likely success of clinical trials by having an evidence-informed or data-driven approach to clinical trial design. And then when you're talking about the regulatory environment and commercialization activities, genetic data in the form of genomic landscapes can expedite FDA approval and other regulatory aspects, as well as decrease time to market overall. Manual extraction of this information from the scientific and clinical literature is nearly impossible, as undoubtedly many of you have experienced, and that's where that information is locked down. And where individual data points and studies are available, and readily so, the whole constellation of that information is extremely challenging to bring together. So Genomenon's approach is to eschew the manual approach, and rather than researchers going out to that information piecemeal, one hypothesis at a time, manually collecting and annotating and synthesizing that information. Instead, we have taken an automated approach to having the data come to us to promulgate these comprehensive genomic landscapes, which obviously speeds the efficiency of that process, but also eliminates the errors. And the way that we do that is with the Mastermind Genomic Association database, which is a comprehensive index of genomic evidence annotated for both clinical and functional effect, right down to the variant level, decorated with any information about diseases, phenotypes, therapies, biological phenomena, or any other categorical type of keyword that is necessary to understand your disease in context.